Okay, there's a couple more things as I stumble around through the barn. We got a 65 Cutlass right here. Ran when parked 35 years ago. Looks like it needs an interior and to be pulled out of the barn. Looks pretty darn straight. Missing the dash. Can't see much there. I really can't get much as far as lights goes. This is stuffed in here. If you're looking for a 65 Cutlass, here you go. And then we got 71 Convertible Eldorado. Again, been in here probably 30 years. Driven back in here. It's tight, so I can't get to the engine. 49 chop top Cadillac. He's selling that. Really can't see much. Kind of hard stumbling through all this. I should get the side of this Cutlass. I might be able to get into here. There we go. Alright, so this is the other side. As you can see, it's really straight. I don't really see any rust through on it. Motor, air conditioning. If you're interested, contact me. Trying to do one car at a time, but I got stuck back here. Figured I'd try to get some more video on all of them. I'm going to squeeze back around to this Cadillac. This one's for sale too. Not sure on the 68 Cutlass yet. 442 W30 is for sale. We got tons of parts too. Ew. Gopher hole. You can't see much in here. I'll get another light in here. But if you're interested, this is a great project. So there's my video for the day. All right, what we have here is a 57 Oldsmobile. Been sitting here for quite a while. There is a motor and trans that comes with it. This is a project car. Let's look underneath. Some parts there. As you can see, there's no rust through it all. Plenty of surface rust. Okay. Out on the side, this is a convertible. Really rare car. You see a little bit of rust there. Nice straight panels. There's the floor. He's got all the parts to this. A couple little rust holes through that can be fixed pretty easily. Convertible mechanisms all there. I keep running into stuff, so excuse my videography because it's a tight fit. There's your quarters. Can't get underneath here till we pull this out. Like I say, he's got all the parts. Let's take a look in here. Looks like it will need a wheel Spare tire, wheel well, everything else looks good. You can see up here, mechanisms all there. I'll show you. Okay. This is not a barn find in that it was parked running. This was bought as a project car many years ago and has been sitting because Frank's got way too many projects on his hand. There's the, you can see the ID number for that, hopefully. I don't know if I can get underneath here or not. Let me put the, I don't know if that helps. It's about as far as I can reach. We do have a parts car that goes with it. There we go. Put some lights on there. Let's go check out the parts car. Bear with me, I'm bumping into stuff. All the parts are here for this. The interior, the trim, and you know it's been sitting for a while, so it's dusty. Let's scroll past these parts. And she don't look like much, but this is where the front end will come from this car. We may or may not put it on. If we do that, then we won't sell the parts car. Parts cars got some parts left to it. Somebody shot the window out, unfortunately. We don't need that for the convertible anyway. Okay, so we go from a nice 53 Olds to a project car and many more cars. Back to the project, 57 Olds convertible. Engine and transmission come with it also. I don't know where he's got them buried, but I'll find them. Over and out. See you next time. Let's see if we can see me on here.